Them say, my people. As you can see, this country is a fraud. They say make we go inside house. Everybody go and quarantine himself and herself. We go quarantine. Light no day house. Nothing day. People they suffer. No food. No money. Yes. All churches closed. Everywhere closed down. School closed. But down there in the north, as I'm making this video right now, Minna Market is widely open. What kind of government is this? They ask us to go and sit at home. We are all sat at home. Yes. While the northern oligarchy. Why the northern oligarchy? Do you know what they do? They are lying to us. They are not telling us the truth. The reason why they don't tell us the truth is because they think they can manipulate us. They think they can use our brain. It is good to stay at home, yes. But why is the market in Minna open? Why is the market in Minna? Why is it open? Right now as we are talking. Why is the mosque in the north open? Does it mean that coronavirus cannot affect those people that are worshiping in the mosque? Does it mean that the same coronavirus cannot catch those people in the market? A market of over, let me say, 700 or 800,000 people. Very crowded. If you check my wall after this video, you will see it. I'm going to post it. Who is deceiving who? We don't have light. We don't have nothing. The house is so boring. As I'm talking right now, my house is so fucking boring. I cannot stay in the house. I cannot. Because there's no light. There is no light. No light in my street. What can we lay our hand upon? Nothing is happening here. And they told us that it is one country, whereby some people will respect an order, while others will not respect the same order. Some people will be subject to respect the order with by force. If you come outside in the street of some places in the eastern region, the army are kicking people, beating them, scattering their food. I mean, food. And I am meant to understand that those people that are selling food crops, like crops and foodstuffs, is free to come out and sell. The people that like hospital, like pharmacists, the people that are on the health side, they need to come outside and sell. But in the east, they are kicking their businesses up, scattering everything, beating people. While they're in the north, their market is open and nobody's talking. Why should this be happening? In a secular state, in a country where the different faiths are being put together, forcefully put together. Enough of this nonsense, man. Quarantine yourself. What are we going to quarantine ourselves with? Shall we quarantine ourselves without money, without food in the house? And when some of us come out to look for what we are going to eat, then we'll be in trouble. The army is going to kick you up, beat you. If you go to my wall, you see a lot of videos where army are chasing people and beating them like hell. But in the north, it's not happening. What is happening in Nigeria? Why is it that the north are being treated in a different way? Why the south are being treated in a different way? You that is watching this video now might be in your house. Yes, watching this video. But there is somebody who doesn't know what is called Facebook. There's somebody who doesn't know what is called internet. There's somebody who doesn't even know what the meaning of that is being done in the north. Because they are abducted. They don't have any information. Who is going to tell them about this disease? They are going around doing their normal businesses. Everything is working perfectly, normally over there in the north. Only schools that are being closed, but their mosque every Friday they come out they pray to their Allah, and nothing will happen. But down here, you go to the church on Sunday, they chase after you, they kick you, they beat you. When is this going to stop? Kedu mgbe ọ ga-akwụsị? I want anger, just the street of the area where I'm staying, to see in the north is the same thing happening here. You are quarantining yourself when you don't have anything to eat in the house. You are quarantining yourself when there is no light, no electricity. I beg, give me one bottle. I beg, bring one bottle for. Give me one bottle of stout. Let me change my brain. God punish devil. What kind of nonsense is that one? Eh? When I say near our country ekwensu obodo ekwensu Chineke ya kpọkụ. Nah, guy, if you can come out of your house and look for one sharp corner, take one bottle of the chia bread. Just take it. I will pay. Don't worry, I will pay. Okay, I'm talking to you. Go and get a bottle of if it is good or stout. Just chill yourself, bros. Make we cool our brain. Before person die inside, say they quarantine yourself. And they are sharing money. I even saw a picture of where they are sharing people money over there in the north. And eke ego ka nna agwa guy and eke ego. E were go na-enyesi ndị mmadụ. Eh? Achịrị ndị ụfọdụ chukwu n'ime ụlọ dịka atụrụ. Eh? Sample master, it is well with you, my brother. Corona or Corobia drivers can never see you guys. Omo Biafra. No Biafra mumma. Kedu nke ba chiro abia na the east put outside maybe say ngwa afia boyfriend no eje na not afia na asu. As I'm talking right now, there's market going on in Mina. Right now, no, as I'm talking to you, you can do your research. Afia su gana Mina. Please let me turn around. Bring down my chair here. Bring it here. Bring my chair here. God punish devil. I can't come and kill myself. What do you have, please?
We have tobacco, we have trophy, anything.
Please give me trophy. Give me trophy. God punish devil. You want to be a man? Man, go one bottle. What kind of nonsense is that one? There's market going on there right now. Nobody is being molested. Nobody is being tortured. Nobody is being harassed. Huh? Lagos, Enugu, Anambra, everywhere is locked down. People are inside dying, suffocating, no light. How can we survive? Even if you say those that have stocked their home with food items, okay, there's no light to preserve them. Bring me a bottle. I don't want this. Give me a bottle. You don't have what? Which bottle do you have there?
Yes, 2 bottles.
Oh my goodness me. No, you now my chocolate about self. Which is tobacco again? I don't want tobacco. Do you have a Budweiser?
No, Budweiser is finished. Just call the man. We blew already.
Okay, give me anything, I beg. Give me anything, I beg. I can't kill myself for this life. I can't kill myself. There is market going on in the north. After Nazulu Gausa, Nausa Zogafia can Nagun. In Mina right now, Mina market is open. After Nazo. But in the east, and the police are actually in the mud. Actually, the Kekonia with an area keke. Oya with an area keke. No mad nab on it. Now so you should stay inside. But in the north, nothing is happening. And nobody is talking. Open it. Don't that we fire all of them. Eh? Which kind of nonsense government is this one? A government that cannot provide solution for their citizens. When we say that Nigeria is a zoo, you people think that we are joking. I beg, sample master, this is Heineken. Take one bottle where you die, will pay. Please. Only one bottle. Only have watch video where I don't have money, but I will not die inside because I'm quarantining myself. When something is happening over there. What are that nonsense? Look at them. They are not doing anything. This one bring 1 billion. This one bring 1 billion. This one bring 1 those billion that bring. How many is Nigeria population? Nigeria is below 200 million. And all the billions that the people have donated so far is close to 40-something billion. If you're a mathematician, use your calculator. Your calculator now to divide about 40, let's say 40 billion. You divide it among, let's say out of that 200 million people, maybe children that doesn't have account, maybe 50 million. Yes. Then old women, maybe 20 million. Old women and old men who don't even run account, maybe 20 million. Then, let's say rich men that has money, that doesn't need this money we're talking about now, maybe let's say 20 million, then the 100 million divided by the 100 million divide 40 billion for them. Just see how much that's going to come into account of each individual. Like, there's no light. You buy something, put in your fridge, the thing will get burnt. The thing will get spoiled. Look at the sound of generator is what I'm listening to now. It's go, where I am, where I came to take one bottle. Generator, that is inhaling what they call it, the full of generator. We are inhaling it. What kind of nonsense country is this one? That something that is happening in the north is not happening in the west. It's not happening in the east. Carbon monoxide, that is what is every yard now. If there are 20, everyone is those that can be able to purchase to buy fuel. Everybody fuel, even the headache, the noise of the generator cannot even allow you to think well or to sleep. Heat is killing those that cannot even afford to buy. I pass my neighbor. How much more? And down there in the north, the road is open. The border is still open. People are going in, coming out. Business is going on. The mosque are praying every Friday. Market is opening in Mina. And me and you, we are there quarantining ourselves. I can't come and kill myself, I beg. I can't come and kill myself. Na mango channel dendo. Qual de nonsense de enka? Na arabo bu kan de government in kasa na abu desu. Arabo bu hanine. I can't come and kill myself, bros. Waiting. I don't first day for house. My attention they go high. I don't count my ceiling. I know how many nails what they take whole one ceiling inside my room because of quarantine. And some people there outside there, they do their normal business. But down there in my own state, nothing is. Everywhere is locked down. Our governors think they are doing well, chasing people up and down. But in the north, nobody is chasing them. And they say it is one Nigeria, and we don't have it. We don't have nothing. No food in the table, no money in the pocket. COVID-19 ya nda water here. May that COVID-19 kill all the people that are ruling this country. All of them that contacted that COVID-19, it will kill all of them. All of them from A to Z. Out. For your information, COVID-19 cannot kill me. More not here. You know if you do anything for my body. I am healthy. At the mundo. No Biafra child will contact any COVID-19. It is not for us. Oyandi Egypt, Oyandi Egypt is not for the children of God. Some of you may be thinking, this one President is doing this video from a drinking bar. Yes. I need to drink. If I die tomorrow, I go no say I die my death. What kind of nonsense country is this one? There's no light. You go and lock yourself inside, there's no light. I'm not even talking of money. Okay, you buy something, you put in your fridge, and the fridge is there's no light to freeze them. You cook soup and put it in the fridge, it will spoil. We're not saying one country. Why now somebody name a business? Now bagare. Who is going to educate them about this disease and the hope here? So, okay, for example, now that all of us in the west and in the south, in the east, have quarantined ourselves, and we are not going to contact it. What if they contact it from there? Nobody them go still they carry yam, carry other things, come they say give other people down here. They will still transfer and come give every other person. And you tell me that it is one country. One country Bukweun. Go punish the one country. Guy, if you are not drinking where you are, go and take one, but I will pay. Simple. The worst the governors, the states, and the ministers can do is just to be arresting people on the street, taking people, arresting people, because the people are not inside their room. But in the north, they are doing everything they want to do there, and nobody is arresting them. Mina Market is open. For your information, Mina Market is wide open. People are trading in Mina Market as I'm talking to you right now. People are trading. People are walking anyhow, shaking hands, they're hugging themselves, doing everything they want to do, and nobody's harassing them. Nobody's doing anything. But down here, they lock everything down. So if you come out, they arrest you. Common light, electricity they cannot give you. Common light. And in 2023, all of you will come out and lie like a ram. You will be voting. You want to come and vote. Voting will kill all of you there. Anybody that vote in 2023 for anybody will die. The people that you have voted for, what have they done for you? They say make you wash your hand every 5 minutes. They give you water. Is there any tap borne water they gave to you? Is there any tap borne water that they gave to you? Your street get water. There's no water in your street. Shut up. Shut the fuck up. Go and sit down. You voted for him last 4 years. You voted for another person last 8 years. But there's nothing to. No good road. There's no electricity. There's no water. Even everything is. They push all of them go inside. Say when I go sit down. Say now COVID-19 will kill all those people who are at the helm of affairs. COVID-19 will kill all of them. Hospital, no medicine. Common ventilator they don't have. They don't have common ventilator. Common ventilator they don't have. They have contracted the disease. What are they doing to save them? Nothing. They just died for nothing's sake. And after you tell me that it's one Nigeria. One Nigeria. One sample master. Take one bottle where you did a drink, guy. This life I can't kill myself. I swear to my God, if I kill myself, make I die. Hey, see, they off the generator now. My ear, you that is watching this video now can see the difference between the noisy sound of the generator and the normal sound and the normal environment. Everywhere is quiet now. But you cannot blame them. Without the generator, they cannot freeze this drink. Without generator, they cannot freeze it. They cannot freeze it and they cannot give them light. And somebody will still come out and collect 1,000 naira and start voting for idiots. All those thieves. Thank God, all of them, they cannot go to abroad again. They cannot go to abroad again with their children. If to say this disease starts from here in Africa, by now, all their private jet will be in abroad. They will carry all their family, their mother, their brothers and their sisters. They will run and go to Europe. They will run and go to America, to Asia, go and hide. They will leave me and you to die. Me and you that used to vote them into power. When it is time to voting, you will see them sharing a bag of rice. They will be sharing tubers of yam. They will be sharing indomie. They will be sharing a lot of food items. Now that there's COVID-19, that everybody needs food, who is sharing giving you? Fools. Whoever that is voting in this country, God will punish you with this problem. If Nigerians stand up today to say they are not going to vote again, make all the whole governors and make everybody go sit down. You will see they will change. Let me tell you people something. Listen, all my viewers. Do you know that a minister in this Nigeria is earning up to 18 million naira a month? A minister. He have his cigarette, whatever they call it, is there. For the cigarette he's smoking, they have made provision for it. Wardrobe allowance is there. Car allowance is there. Health allowance is there. You that is a worker that voted for them, a normal human being, a normal civil servant, how much are they paying you? 18,000. 18,000 naira. If you divide 18 million of that person that you voted into, if you divide 18 million, if you do plus and minus of 18 million into 18,000, you see how many people that is 1 month salary will pay. They cannot give you good health amenities. Yes, the cars they are using is bulletproof. If armed robbers see them, it will not enter. You are working with leg. Hunger will kill you on the street. The next 4 years you come out again, you still vote for them. At the verse, but I won't take this Heineken, they chill myself because I can't kill myself. I go to drink Heineken, and when this one finish, I go drink another one until I'm okay. How you go quick me inside the house, lock me as to move where I be, then open the border in the north. Everything is working normal there. Market is open there. You do not arrest anybody. But down here, you come and arresting my people. A woman that was selling common fruits. I saw an army man beat the woman, carry the garri, throw it away, scatter all the whole crops and everything. Eh? When I'm seeing all these things, I'm mad. I want to go mad. One of them kalabam. And after you people will come and line up and keep voting. Vote will kill all of you that are voting for all these thieves. All these thieves that you are voting for. With that vote will kill all of you. You will come and line up. You will line up during the election period. You will be voting. When you vote finish, when it is time that you need them to come and perform the reason why you voted them, nothing will happen. I beg, make I drink my beer. You want to maybe the moment I saw that picture, that video of army destroying markets, destroying people's goods in the east, then I saw another picture of a market in the north that was open in Mina precisely. The market, a full market is open, people were trading. Then I saw again a picture of a certain person from the north sharing money to people. They were gathering, collecting money. My anger was, I was too furious. If not because of this BNI, by now if I don't do this for street, now they're mad. Because my head don't scatter. And somebody will tell me it is one Nigeria. Now, where are your pastors? Those are your pastors that you used to go to the church every Sunday. You give offering for the sick. You give offering for the church. You give first collection. You give second collection. You give offering tithe. You pay all this tithe. They carry it. They are riding a very good car. They are building a very beautiful house. Their own treatment is in abroad. Their own God will treat you. They will lay hand upon you, say, I will pray for you and you will be healed. But they collect money from you. They go to Havana. They go to Spain. They go to Italy. They go and treat themselves. But me and you that are bringing that money, which they are using, they lay hand upon us and tell us that God have healed us. You go back and you get sick and you die. Now that you are hungry, that you don't have any option. How many pastors have bring out something to give to you? You see, after my video, I did a video 2 days ago. I made mention of the one we call Odumeje. I called him, I said, you say you are the liquid metal. It is time to come and show out yourself. Yesterday, as I made that video, I knew he saw it. Yesterday, he shared food to people. Yes, I am telling you that. Odumeje shared food to people yesterday. I saw the video. And I commend him for that. I challenged him. I say, you say you're a liquid metal, you're a pastor, you're a leader. You cannot heal coronavirus and you're a pastor, you're a miracle worker. But at least give people, your worshippers, people who are following you, give them food, make they chop. As I made the video day before yesterday, go to my wall, you will see it. I don't talk nonsense. My video was there. My video is there. And his own video. Yesterday, he shared food. Shared money to people. I'm not telling you that it is because of my video he did it, but I'm telling you that my video came first before he did it. So if it is because of my video or not because of my video, the truth is that he has done what he's supposed to do. Then has Oyedepo done his own? What about TB Joshua? What about all the pastors, miracle healers that in the country? None of them have done anything. If they do anything, let them show us. You keep bringing money, giving to them, beautifying their life. They were living luxurious life, living in a 5-star hotel. There are some houses that is more beautiful than 5-star hotel. If you don't know, that is where they live. Me and you, we live in ghetto. If I should take this camera and go out now and show you the environment where I am now, you will cry. No light. The light is even if they flash the light after some 30 minutes, they will take it off again. Nigeria is dead. Nigeria and Walla. And all of you that are still voting for those people who are killing you, shame unto all of you. I say shame to all of you that are still thinking that Nigeria will be good again, because Nigeria cannot be good again. Now me they talk about. Nothing will happen. Nigeria man doesn't more, so Nigeria may go. Nigeria don't scatter. Nobody care for you. The government you are voting for doesn't care for you. The only option we have in this country is to divide it into 3. Hausa, go arrange yourself. Yoruba, go arrange yourself. Igbo, go arrange yourself. That is the only option. Apart from that, my brother, my sister, we will die here and die here, all of us. But I will not die with you people, because before you know it, I don't go to my country. Biafra Gabia. Okay, no do. I don't know what is happening within your reach, within your environment. But the environment where I am now, I'm suffocating. There's no light. See heat. See heat. Heat is disturbing me here. I can't breathe well because there's heat. Even the bar where I came to drink, said they just off their generator now because fuel don't finish. Yes, now you can't blame them. They cannot run generator of 24 hours to freeze their drink. You cannot. They just off it right now. Yeah? Some people in the house now are crying. A lot of people are crying, no food. People are sending me SMS. Come and talk to the world. The world, come and talk to the world. She's a Yoruba girl.
This our country is very bad.
Talk to them. Come. Talk to them.
Oh, Buru, everybody,
Yeah.
Ogun State is not good. It's so worse.
Good.
No food. People are suffering for food, for money.
Okay.
Suffering for everything.
Do you have light?
We don't have light. No light. No light. There is no light. Everything is so bad.
What are you using to freeze your?
We use den to freeze our beer. We use den.
You hear them?
It's den.
Speak Yoruba. No, some people will think speak Yoruba.
Ẹ̀ka tó dá sí ìlúwa ò da ẹbí pa wá ìyà ń jẹ wá kò síṣẹ́ kò sí iná kò sí kankan kò sómi kò sí anything ẹ̀kọ́ fìyà jẹ wá ni adẹ̀ ìdìbò fún ìjọba ẹ̀kọ́ fìyà jẹ wá ni.
Speak for English.
Ẹ fìyà jẹ wá.
For people who don't hear English, make they hear.
They are suffering us for everything. There is no light, no food, no anything to eat.
Okay.
And you kept us inside for nothing.
For nothing.
There is no food, there is no anything.
How much are they paying you? Come tell them.
They are paying us 10,000 here. 10,000 yes.
For 30 days.
For 30 days, which is bad. It's very bad.
They hear them.
It's bad.
But the senator of the state where she come from is earning 18 million in a month. Come and talk. Come and talk to people. Come and talk to the world. You don't want to talk. This coronavirus go catch you if you don't talk. Come talk. Talk to them. Our government.
Nílé látànà kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Ghana ẹ lọ South Coast iná ẹ̀bẹ̀ olórí kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Tell them in English or to somebody here.
Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń kọ́wọ́ Nàìjíríà jọ lọ́mọ àwọn yín ni.
Ìṣe
ká má jẹun ká má jáde oúnjẹ ti wọ́n gàrí ti wọ́n gáàsì ti wọ́n kò sówó àti Queen Bank àtúrówó gbà kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? A máa fúnra wa láti lọ sí èbòwò wa sí bank tá a bá fẹ́ gbà a máa sunkún láti gbowó kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Abeg small English.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Àtàárọ̀ omi lásán ni mo mu table water.
And I hear am.
Table water ọmọ school mu table water. Àrùn ọjà àtúrọ̀ mi sínú ẹni o táàbù mo lọ sínú ẹ̀ àárín ẹ̀kọ́ jẹ. Gàrí ordinary gàrí is 110 before now gàrí come to 190 kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ torí coronavirus. USA wọ́n open store. Thank
you. Yes, my people, as you can see, I'm in a bar because I'm very, very upset. And the first lady that spoke here happened to be the waitress, and the guy is the waiter here. You see, if some of us are talking, most people think that it is because we are Igbos. That is why we are the only people talking. There are other Yorubas that want to speak, that want the world to hear their voice. Are you getting what I'm saying? You hear what she said? They were being paid 10,000 for 30 days, and there's no light. They still run huge generator to run their businesses, and everybody's inside the room. But in the north, as I'm talking to you right now, in the north, the market is open. Yes, somebody have to say it. Somebody have to say it. Nobody is happy with Nigeria again. Everybody is angry. Both Hausa, both Yoruba, both Igbo, everybody is angry because the governors, the ministers, the senators, they are not doing anything. The hospital itself doesn't even have good, should I say, not even medicine. They don't even have what they call it. They don't even have an enable environment. Very dirty. The disease, the sicknesses that you are learning from your house, coming to hospital cure you. If you go to the hospital, you get them, you contact them from their bed. Everywhere is shit, everywhere is spoiled. You hear them. I thank God they use you. Not say the whole content. We are inside the room. We are suffering. There's no light. At least if there's light, you should be watching video. You should be watching film. There's no light. No anything. How can we be suffering like this? Which is bad. Welcome, sir. A drink of rice, you can imagine 500 now. What did happen? A pint of gari was how much were they selling it before? I think 450, 400. Now, how much is this sold? How much is this sold? How much is this sold? Heat don't keep person. See as heat they do me. See as I sweat. They tell all of us, make all of us go inside. All of us don't go inside now. We dey inside. We dey inside. Heat don't kill me. I said I can't take one bottle. I cool my brain. The generator self can't disturb you. Now they off the generator. They don't give us light. They don't give us money. No nothing. And after somebody will still come out and line up. In fact, I don't vex. Make I just drink my beer, chill my brain a bit. We are not happy, Oga. We are not happy. We are not happy. This sickness is killing people. He's doing this. Yes, I know. He's killing people. We know. But some people there inside, but no provision is made for them.
It's a foreign. Huh? It's not a Nigerian disease. They're supposed to close the border.
Yes.
And the
thank you.
It's not a Nigerian disease.
Oga, please, as I'm talking.
It's affecting the rich ones, like the senator, the ministers, and the governor.
Yes.
And that's why they decided to act like that, so that the thing will not reach.
Oga, I am not against it.
Okay.
In Spain, in Germany, in Europe, the government are providing money, providing aid for them. Here, who is providing anything for us?
Nobody.
Nobody. Are we not supposed to be receiving at least have light, like common light?
Regular supply.
Regular supply. At least for us to be.
Even the DSTV people or the go, they're supposed to at least 1 month subscription.
Thank you, free. Nothing is happening.
They're supposed not to even ask money from anybody.
Sir, do you know my anger? I am on live video. The world is watching me. If you like to speak to them, you are free to come and speak to them. I am not happy. The reason why I'm not happy is because I saw an old woman selling fruits. Army went there, scatter her fruit, scatter everything, beat the woman. I saw another one, and you know the government says that people that are that are serving the public through the health, like a hospital, they should open. People that are selling food should come out and sell. But here in Nigeria, they're beating people. Now I saw another picture of Mina Market was open today in the north. And people are selling, doing no matter, nobody was arresting them, nobody was beating them. Is this not an injustice?
In Nigeria, the law that affects people in the south doesn't affect them in the north.
Oga, please, I like, see, no verse. I want you to talk to people. Come.
No, I'm an officer.
Oh, Oga, the verse.
No, I'm not supposed to.
Okay, let's do. But nobody's happy. He's an officer and he's not happy with what is happening. He says that the law that is governing people in the north is not the same law that is governing us here.
Penal code there.
Huh? Penal code. Okay, you hear it.
And they use criminal code.
They use criminal code here. They use penal code there.
A murder case here murder case here is manslaughter there.
You hear them? Huh? What kind of nonsense is this? I thank God even the officer knows the truth. The officers, they know the truth. That is an officer that just spoke to me. He doesn't want to show on the camera. But me, I'm very, very bitter that in the north, everything is working perfectly okay. People are going to their normal businesses, doing everything they want to do. But we that are here, they lock us inside, no light, no provision, no nothing. He is not happy. He said they use penal code in the north and they're using criminal code this side. The law that makes you to go to jail, that makes you to die by hanging here, we only send them to jail there, and after some time they leave them. That is what he's trying to say. Which inside I should stay? How will I stay inside? Under this hot weather, I should stay inside under this hot weather with this kind of humidity. I should stay inside. I beg. I'm drinking my beer. I did outside. Now for beer, they do this video right now at the verse. At the verse. In the hospital, there's no medicine. There's no fucking medicine in the hospital. People are dying of hunger and starvation. As a matter of fact, hunger is killing people more than the coronavirus, even here in Africa. Why does success occur? Go and take one bottle wherever you are. I will pay. Anybody that is watching this video, if na beer they drink, take, I go pay. Now me tell you, I go pay. I don't get money, no be say I no fit buy you one bottle. An officer just spoke to me right now. Because he knows the truth. How can they be treating human beings like animals? It is not good. It is very, very bad. Look at how everything is. 2020 people will come and line up. Our ministers, you are governors, you are whatever, they have all abandoned all of you. When it is time for election, you will see them line up. They'll bring out sachet of rice, sachet of beans, sachet of gari, sugar, yam. They'll be sharing you people. They'll keep sharing you. They will share, and everybody will come and vote for them. When you vote for them, finish. Then at the end of the day, you will get nothing. Nothing. You cannot receive anything from them. Now that you need them, where are they? Where are they? Eh? Where are they? What kind of nonsense is this? You open Facebook, you see people market being destroyed in Nigeria. People market that are selling foodstuffs. Without food, nobody will be alive. Everybody will die. And government says those who are selling foodstuff should be allowed to sell. Those who are selling foodstuff should be allowed to sell. Yes. But here, whenever all the people that are selling foodstuff, both in the south and in the east, all of them, the army are testing everybody to go inside. If everybody goes inside and there's no food for us to eat, how can we survive this sit at home? How can we survive this quarantine period? We cannot quarantine. We cannot be alive to talk about the end of this coronavirus or whatever they call it. But down there in the north, you hear the officer. He said that it was penal code that is being used there, but down here is criminal code. You have heard it at the verse. Now, person who do chop food, they die alive. How can a whole army be destroying people who has food items? Throwing Gary away, beating people anyhow. Go inside. The person you're pushing, you're chasing inside. Did you provide any money for him? Did you give him any food? But over there in the north, Mena Market is open today as I talk to you now. Mena Market is open. And people are there enjoying themselves, selling and enjoying. Borders are open. Last week, Friday, a mosque was open in the north. All the whole worship. You now open one church in the east now or in the west. Open now, let us see. Open one church in the east right now. Say you want pray to your God. If you don't see yourself inside prison, nobody made a talker. But over there, they are praying to God every day in their own mosque. And they want me to shut up. If I shut up, make I die. I'm going to talk. Both on the street, in the house, in the bus, anywhere. The injustice that is being meted upon people here is what I'll be talking about because I'm not happy. I'm not happy. I'm speaking for those who cannot speak. Yes, I'm speaking. Enough of this rubbish. Go inside and quarantine yourself. Go inside and quarantine. Any death in a death, person who fall from upstairs die, and person who motor jam, and person who coronavirus skin, at the same death they die. They're the same thing. But we have to hold our government responsible for some kind of things, amenities they need to give to us. Wash your hand every 5 minutes. Is there water to wash hand? They don't provide us with any tap-borne water. Electricity, see as I sweat. You see as I sweat. Common light, we no get. Common light, we no get. Thank God, even the officers knows the truth. They are speaking over there, telling you that what the government is doing is not good. They are not happy. Yeah? Oh, now you're not favor, no? Huh? What nonsense? Somebody will come and be telling me what I know better than him. Go inside and sit down. I should sit down. When there's no food, no water, no light, no nothing. Make you sick now, go to hospital now. Whether somebody will attend to you. Eh? Man, I'm not happy. I'm not happy at all. Eh? I'm not happy. Yes. They cannot touch the imam. They can't arrest them because their own God is different from our own God. Last week Friday they were worshiping in the north, but here on Sunday a lot of churches were closed down. Nobody worshipped here. Yes, the officer have told us that it's penal code they use there. Here is a criminal code. So all of us we know the truth. I'm on Kebezoku. Get my feeling far. Now I can't kill myself for. Make I just take my headache and enjoy myself. God punish devil. Get my feeling. Eh? I never seen go find them mad in the east. I guess I seen the business in them mad in the east. But in the north, things are working. They closed border before here, but in the north, the border was open. Why now? Makagini. It's not supposed to be like this. It is never supposed to be like this. If this country is indeed a secular country, that it is going to work. Whatever that affect the north, you affect the south. Whatever that affect the south, you affect the north. The same law that guide the north, you guide the south. That is how it's supposed to be. You can't use a kid glove to some people and use iron hand to other people. Look at how people are suffering, dying. A lot of people are sending me message. Send me money, send me money. I'm hungry, coronavirus. I don't even have. If I have, I will send, but I don't. Now, at the verse. I think I have to end this video for here. As at now, please. May God bless each and every one of you. Coronavirus we don't see you. But however it is, just go and take one bottle. Anywhere you are right now, take one bottle, they drink. Take them to your brain. We can't come and kill ourselves. How can we come and killing ourselves until say go and quarantine? You quarantine your family. Some people have 7 children. That 7 children, their papa is when he do his okada business or his keke business that he can get food to get money to give them food. Now his father is quarantined. The mother is quarantined. What is the children going to eat? Government is supposed to send at least 20K into each and every BVN holder in Nigeria account because there is money. Otedola bring 1 billion. Dangote bring 1 billion. Emeka for bring 12 billion. All those money they brought, where is the money? They said they are using it to fight the coronavirus. Where are they fighting it? In Abuja or where? Thank God said the disease said the disease said they even catch them too. The disease they catch them too. So bitter that we cannot even encourage ourselves. What a rant nonsense. Christogonus, my brother. You have seen what we are into. If we can swear on email, if I job wedelu, na nime one Nigeria. Ekwensu Chineke ga okay for. Nsi Chineke one do oku, e man na mere hebet. Ekwensu ga akpo ha oku. Ekwensu ga akpo ha oku, ekwensu. Na devil go punish all these people wey dey punish us. Before you tell somebody to go and quarantine his or herself, you should make at least a little arrangement for them. MTN, Glow, it is a lot. How much have they brought in support of this coronavirus of a thing? What have they done? Nothing. At least MTN should have given Nigerians, if it is every day, if it is, let's say, if it is like 30 minutes, let's say 30 minutes, like 45 minutes free call to talk to your loved ones about coronavirus. They cannot do it. They can't do it. And when he came here, they are just extorting money from us, stealing from us. It's very, very bad. It's not good. We need to talk so that the people hear our voice. We need to talk. Some people, those who talk, we should stay. For more, I got no work. One then gonna come bomba steady. Undo what? Yes. How be able to give him the how be able to give him the how get him the for like 5 to 10 minutes. We chapter the end the kubezi oku hetie wezi onu. Hetie wonu that ni an the kubezi oku. Na kesi emende mad no bada bro kesi ko season emende mad. Ni wujin do whatsapp wujin do mo na ndo fem mad. I'm not happy, Mama. I'm not. Carrying somebody's goods and scatter because he is out to sell foodstuffs. But down there in the north, so everything is going normal. Enough of this rant nonsense. Thank you, my people. I don't talk finish. As you do from my mind, I start take talk. I can talk more than this. Anything I don't talk now, I know him, and I don't hear him before. The closing remark is that everybody should go and take 1 bottle of Heineken. Any brand where they drink, guy, go take and drink. Chill your brain. If you begin to think about this sickness, about this disease, you go die inside though. Go outside and carry 1 bottle, drink. I go pay. Simple. Thank you very much and God bless you. I end this video right now. You say, they own.